Hey YouTube, this is Chris. We have the Cayman up on some jack stands, and that is because I have a check engine light, P0056 for the O2 sensor heater circuit. So pretty easy. This is a 987 Cayman for those who are watching that want to, try and do this yourself. I have my back wheel taken off. Once you get in here, you guys can see there's an O2 sensor on my car right behind the wheel. And as well as behind this tiny shield we're going to take off. I think that's the Upstream. So we're just replacing the Downstream ones. We're just going to take a look and get a good look at things and make sure everything looks all right. I have catless headers. I also have an X-pipe back there. So this is a pretty loud car. But yeah, so we're going to try and replace the rear O2s on both sides. And I'll show you guys the sensors that I'm using as well to help you try and save a little bit of money. All right, guys, so these are the Bosch replacement sensors. I'm not sure what year specifically, but Porsche, I guess maybe it was Bosch, they updated the part number for these, but these are the non-updated ones, so that's 16697. I got these two on eBay for about $100, so we're gonna see how they work. The replacement for the newer part number was about $100 per sensor, so saved a lot of money doing this. All right, guys, so you can see now with this little bracket removed from this area, that I believe is the Upstream O2 sensor for this car. So following back the exhaust back there is our culprit for the issue. We're gonna replace that one and try and break it free. So if you have one of these cars, it seems to be fairly straightforward. Hopefully this thing breaks free with minimal effort, but it's really nice not having to be underneath the engine and on your back doing this. I did that on the Mustang a few years ago and it sucked. So we'll try and break it free now and see what happens. We also, just heads up, we sprayed some PB Blaster on there just to help break it free. So if you guys want to, try that. Sometimes these things seize up really bad, so that's just what we did. Okay, so we broke it free with just a 7/8 wrench. Is that what that is?
Yeah. Right? Or a 22 millimeter.
There you go. So we got it broken free. It came out real easy. We probably had PB Blaster on there for not even a full minute. George got antsy. So now we're just trying to find the wire where we can unplug it. So I'm going to film from here going into the car. If you go through here, it looks like back under there, if you see George's hand, that is where I can't zoom in too far because it's making everything really dark.
I can't see the...
But that's where the plug is at. It's back, basically back in through here. So you'll look in there and hopefully see the plug. It's a bit of a pain to get to. All right, so we got the O2 out. There was a few zip ties just holding on the cable from the old one, but I think that was just, that probably wasn't OEM. Anyway, yeah, make sure your ends are the same on whatever O2 sensor that you get.
Same way.
Make sure the actual piece up here, the sensor itself, looks pretty much the same. Do not touch the new one. You want to keep that clean. Don't touch that until you're ready to put that in the exhaust.
Annie sees.
And yeah, Annie sees as well, so she doesn't get stuck. Here's the old one. Mine's all carbony just because of no cats. So I can focus a little bit on there. Yeah, pretty gross, but we're ready to put in the new one. What do you think?
Yes, sir.
All right, so the car's all back together. I didn't show the other side. It's a mirror, same process, and I think I've shown enough at this point. So we're gonna fire up the car. I have a little Bluetooth OBD2 adapter. We'll reset the check engine light and show that now. But at this point, you've seen it all. You know how to swap out your O2s. If you feel like seeing how to reset the engine light, I'll show that now. All right, so for those who have seen my videos before, this thing was like $2. I'll link it below, or you can find them on eBay. Cheap little Bluetooth thing. And I have an Android phone that I hook up to it using the Torque Pro app. So I'm gonna plug this in real quick. All right, so here's my phone. Here's the Torque app. There's our friendly check engine light. I'm connected. It's showing the RPMs. Click fault codes. Hopefully this works first try, because sometimes it does not. So just wait for this to load and it'll show us what code we have, and that should be the P0056 code. And then you can just click more and then clear the code. So we'll just wait for this to show up. Hopefully when we clear it, we're gonna go for a quick drive, park it, shut it off, turn it back on, and if the check engine light doesn't come on, that's a good sign. So yep, there it is. P00 powertrain HO2S bank 2 sensor 2 heater control circuit. Just come over here, click more. Sorry, I'm doing this looking through my camera screen. Clear faults on ECU. Just click OK. The light goes away. Beautiful. Painless, easy, simple. And that's it, done job for now. And then we'll check in just a bit and see how it's holding up. All right, gang, moment of truth. So this is the first startup. This is the second startup from when we cleared. First startup since we cleared the O2s. Second since we did the job.
Yeah.
Okay. Basically, this is what tells us if it's fixed. So if we don't see a check engine light, we're good.
Okay.
Give it a few seconds. Yeah, I think we're good. Didn't pop up.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Nice.
sir.
Anyway, yes, if you guys thought that was useful, please give a thumbs up. Comment below if you have any questions, comments, concerns, and yeah, just read the description. I'll try and provide as much info in there as possible. Thanks for watching. Take care.